haunted. Haunting. Haunt. Often visited by ghosts or spirits, as in the pipes under the sink. To appear or recur often, as every 27 years. A feeding place for animals, as in the cases of George Denbrough, Adrian Mellon, Betty Ripsom, the Johnson boy. A feeding place for animals.
No one knows where the lone wolf sleeps. No one sees the hidden treasure in the castle keep. No one learns the secret name. No one burns in the absence. No one broke D.B. Cooper's fall. No one hopes to hear the bagman call. Children piping in the main square, but no one's dancing. No one's dancing down there. The river goes where the water flows. No one knows where the back gate closes. The river goes where the water flows. But no one knows where the back gate closes.
Its teeth rent flesh, gone stiff with exotic terrors and voluptuous fears. It had created a place in its own image. Derry was its killing pen. The people of Derry, its sheep.
No promise sweeter than a blood pact. Nothing harder to go through with than a vanishing night. No morning colder than the first frost. No friends closer than the ones we've lost. Nothing sharper than a serpent's tooth. Nothing harder than the gospel truth. Though you repent and don sackcloth and try to make nice, you can't cross the same river twice. The river goes where the water flows, but no one knows where the back gate closes. The river goes where the water flows, but no one knows where the back gate closes. There's a club where you'd like to go. You could meet someone who's lost like you. Revel in the darkness like a pair of open graves. Fumble through the fog for a season or two. No town more barren than our town. No haven safer than the one they tore down. No greater love than to lay my life down for a friend. No sweeter pleasure than to see the credits clear through to the end. No one knows where the lone wolf's gone. No one sees him camped out right there on the front lawn. We played for you, but you would not sing. No one was gonna get away with anything. The river goes where the water flows, but no one knows when the back gate closes. The river goes where the water flows, but no one knows when the back gate closes.
So you leave, and there is an urge to look back just once as the sunset fades, but it is perhaps best not to look back. Best to believe there will be happily ever afters all the way around, and so there may be. You leave, and you leave quick, and if you spare a last thought, maybe it's ghosts you wonder about, the ghosts of children standing in the water at sunset. You don't have to look back to see those children. Part of your mind will see them forever, live with them forever, love with them forever. So drive away quick. Drive away from Derry, from memory, but not from desire. That stays. The circle closes. The wheel rolls. All the rest is darkness.